Can you say Noah? Yeah, that's him, all right. I got it. Uh-oh. What was that? Turn that sound off so it... Binky, 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 binky. Callie, you gonna say something for us or just eat on that thing? Hold on tight. Yeah, you did it. Good girl.
Got it.
Say hi to the camera, Callie. Wave.
I want to get off.
You want me to get
Wait,
on
we're
with
gonna
you?
go for... Daddy
You'll
will
be-
get on with you.
Let me get up there with you?
No.
Yes, you do. You want to ride the pony, don't you?
She's
Yes.
gonna get scared. Come on.
Oh, you're all right.
You're okay. Dad will see.
You're right here. Oh, look at you riding that pony.
Yay, Callie. She's so... Yeah.
It's fun, isn't it?
Max, Max, you're a bad dog. Max, Max, stop that. Max, Max, come here, come here. Come here. Look at that big bug. Stay, stay.
Wow, look at you up on that big horse.
Good girl, Callie.
Smile at
So
Noah.
nice. Look at Noah.
Look at Noah. Almost done.
Hey, Callie, say yeehaw. Just go ahead and walk with her, Elizabeth.
Hey, babe. You got to stay for yourself. Max, Max.
Down. That's a good girl. Can you roll over? Can you roll over? Can you lay down? That's a good girl, just like a doggy. Now roll over, roll over. Yeah, you're a good girl. Where's Callie's nose? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? That's rolling over, isn't it? Where's your piggies? Piggies. Piggies. Piggies.
Where's your belly button?
Belly button? Good.
Where's your ear?
Where's Bino?
Where's your brain?
There's Bino.
No, she gets her brains right here. Where's your boot?